I was only allowed to bring one personal item, so I brought a big book bag for toiletries and makeup and random stuff, and I fit all my clothes in a packing cube and then hid it in a pillowcase. I put all my bathing suits in a smaller packing cube in my book bag.
Just now. Yeah. Oh, we're going up. I'm recording with the GoPro. You recording? Yeah. Oh shit. Oh my god. Ah shit. No fish, no nothing. I thought that's a sinkhole. But yo, my arms hurt. I'm kind of done with it.
Baby. Welcome to Island Fish Tribe. We love you, man. Stick around for more. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TCI, Turks and Caicos. Let's keep it clean and pristine.
So everybody knows that turtles, they have a really long lifespan. So reason why these guys actually have a long lifespan is because of their heart. They have a really, really slow heart rate. So you can get one heartbeat of a turtle every 9 minutes. All right?
What?
One heartbeat every 9 minutes.
9 minutes?
Yes, and because of that slow heart rate, it also helps them to last underwater longer, all right? So these guys, if they want to, they can actually be underwater for up to 10 hours. They love to show off because they're used to us right now.
Right.
Right? Yes. So like she said earlier, turtles are very intelligent because they'll always know where they're born, all right? So the turtle can be born here, he can go travel to Europe, Asia, anywhere he likes, and he'll always find his way back here. The turtles are actually endangered right now. Yes, all 3 of the species. And can you tell me why? Do you guys know why? So yes, guys. This is the conch right here. You guys can see it?
Yeah.
So these 2 right here is his eyes. You're gonna see a little piece in the middle. That's his mouth and nose. This is his heel. Yes.
Wow.
That hard piece you're seeing, guys, that's his toenail. All right. Or some people call it the horn. That's what he actually used to move. So what he does, he digs in the sand and drag his body. All right. All right. So even though this guy is this big right now, he's still a baby. This is how the conch usually starts off.
This little thing. What?
Yes. That little thing there, this little shell there,
Oh my gosh.
can grow to this guy.
That's
and then
crazy.
Yeah, then I thought you had much more nerve endings here because you need to sense stuff.
but the skin is thicker.
Yeah,
The skin is thicker, more nerve endings. It doesn't matter, right?